Hello guys, this is RohitVinay here, and in this channel you can find my digital painting videos and the equipment I used to do it with. Today I'll be taking on the 10-minute, 1-minute, 10-second challenge, and for this challenge I'll be drawing the Venom. I'm going to go ahead and start the 10-minute version right now. I always start most of my paintings with a rough undersketch. This will give me a perspective guide to how to go about painting the whole image. Venom doesn't really have a conventional face. He lacks a nose and other features of a human face. So I'm going to be eyeballing the outline and get started with the color. Now I'm going to be speeding up the painting. See you guys at the end of the 10th. We're in under the minute mark, and I still haven't got the start on the eyes, and I'm just starting on the body. 10 minutes is a really short span of time. I guess I didn't think it through before starting this challenge. I need to finish the shadows. Come on, why is it not coming? Okay. What's up with there? Just 10 seconds left and the body is way out of size. 10 minutes just flew by. Okay, let's start the minute challenge and let's see how I do. Starting the 1 minute right now. I don't think I have any time to draw the outline, so I'm just straight away going for the painting. As always, I start with the midtones. That is, if a painting has black, white and gray, I usually start with the gray so that I can have the whites for my highlights and the blacks for my shadows. Getting out the tone. I'm not sure if it is identifiable as a Venom. Only 10 seconds. I don't think I'll be able to finish the eyes too. I'm seriously hoping to see how much I mess up on the 10-second challenge. Going to start the 10 seconds right now. Yeah, go. Yeah, I should have started off with a bigger brush. The tongue. It's done. So here is it, guys. The 10-minute, 1 minute and the 10-second of what I could do. Yeah, I think I'll just go ahead and get started with the detailed version of the Venom. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like below and comment if you have any suggestions for me to draw next. Follow my Twitter. Every time I upload a video or if I find something interesting, share it on my Twitter page. And follow my Instagram page. I post all of my artworks and the progresses I do and the clients I work with. Be sure to like and subscribe. See you soon.